Hey, my name is Gear Stevenson. Welcome to Daredevil Eating. This is a starfish. It has been skewered and barbecued after finding it washed up on the beach. It's flotsam.
Yum.
Yeah. But in a strange way, it does actually look kind of good once it's been gussied up like this.
This is probably the best looking thing you've eaten.
Yeah. In the best looking locale. Yeah, lovely Middle Cove Beach. About to eat I'm pretty sure unevenly cooked starfish.
grab a piece of char. Oh, it's the whole thing.
It's kind of good. It's kind of good. It kind of tastes like a delicious sushi meal, but it got creamy, pasty stuff inside, and I know that's the fucking guts.
You can spit it out if you want.
Ugh.
Wow. Stick your tongue out. Good job.
It is in my stomach now. All right. I give that a 2 or a 3.
Really?
Out of 10.
You were able to stand the guts?
Yeah,
Guts.
because it was awful. It was like yogurt. But the taste all the way through really wasn't that bad. It was like some kind of mussel or something. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this episode of Daredevil Eating.
Hey,
Subscribe.
Hey, want to drop a tea to wash it down?
Oh, hi, Mom. Sure. It's really hot. But, yeah.